Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a very exciting Valentine's Day get ready with me. I woke up today and I was like, I want glam. Glam this, glam that, glam. Just glam. I looked on my page and I realized that I only had one look up for Valentine's Day, and Valentine's Day is literally around the corner. So I thought, what other video to do than just like a regular chit chat Valentine's Day get ready with me. We love some glam, we love some glitter, we love really big lashes, and just whew. Every time I turn my head, I just see bling, 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 because all the glitter. Also, I wanted to give a shout out to Serenity Rose Nails. She is one of my supporters that hit me up through Instagram and sent me a pair of these custom acrylics. These are press-on acrylics. You guys know that I'm trying to stick away from doing acrylics on my nails for right now. I'm trying to give them a really big like break in between me getting acrylics, and plus I'm really liking, you know, the short nail kind of vibe. I feel like it's really classy or whatever, but some days I do wake up and I wish I had on acrylics, and what better things to do than just press them on. You don't gotta wait in no nail salon, you don't gotta worry about no one fucking up your nails. Why? Because you get to customize your own set. If not, she does have sets available already, plus they're super inexpensive. But you guys can also use my code. This is not sponsored by all means, I just wanted to give a genuine shout out to her because these have came in clutch. Oh, and there's also a giveaway in this video, so I suggest you guys to go ahead and watch throughout the whole video to see what you'll be winning. And yeah, I think I should shut up now and let's go ahead and get started with this video. I'm gonna be using the Main Squeeze Colourpop press palette, which I absolutely adore. I already primed my eyes using the Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade L900. Weird, I always used to use the L400 one, and I just now realized that this one is L900. Yeah, I guess I've been using this one in this shade. The first shade we're gonna go into is this one right here, which is gonna act as our transition shade. You guys already know this. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Glamour Dolls blending brush. I'm gonna go ahead and press this right into my crease. I'm gonna drag this pretty high because I want this to be a very dramatic look. And when it's dramatic, you want to see all your crease colors. I can only do. When it comes to the outer part of the eye, I'm gonna just smoke this out very messily because at the end I'm gonna clean everything up and make it like a crisp, sharp line. It turned into like a light pink, a light red kind of shade, which is perfect. You can add more if you want, or you can add less. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this red shade right here, which is the brightest shade in the palette, and I'm gonna take that on the 221. This is the Zoeva Soft Crease Brush, which is like my favorite brush lately. This is definitely the star of the show besides the glitter, because the glitter is always the star of the show. I'm gonna go ahead and pat this right onto my crease, and I'm also taking this color very high up into that transition shade. So sometimes when doing this step, like your transition shade will sometimes fade away. I'm gonna take a little bit of this pink again, like this lightest shade in the palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and just blend those two shades together, making the transition shade visible again. This blend right here, I'm living. Perfect. I'm gonna go into this one right here so that we have like that gradient effect. So I'm gonna take the Colourpop E17 brush, put that directly underneath that red shade that we use, and just do the same technique and blend into one another. Alright, so for the next step, which is obviously cutting the crease, I'm gonna go ahead and take some makeup wipes. This is something that I've been doing recently. Excuse me. Especially when working with colorful colors, I like to use these makeup wipes when, you know, cutting the crease. I'm basically gonna cut my crease with my finger. The goal is to make sure that there is no red on the lid, because when working with concealer and red, your concealer is automatically just gonna turn pink. Now I'm gonna take my favorite concealer brush, which is the Wet n Wild's concealer brush, which is found at like Dollar Tree for $1. Like, talk to me nice. Do y'all see that crease cut? Do y'all see it? Tell me that you guys see it, because this is like makeup porn to me. It just looks so crisp. It's so crisp. Go ahead and tap into this red shade right here, and this part is kind of important because I do take this inwards and downwards. Like, the more inwards I go, the more down I go towards my lash line, if that makes sense. So you guys are gonna see what it is that I do. The closer that I get to my lash line, and the more down I go, but I'm only gonna stop in the middle of my eye because I kind of want that to be very crisp and very clean. I hope I explained that right. I'm gonna go ahead and take that darker shade now, and I'm literally gonna do the same thing. So we're gonna hold off on that for a bit, and we're gonna go to the lid. So I'm gonna mix these two shades right here, like a tad bit of this like really bright pink and a little bit of this shimmer pink shade, and those two together is gonna give me exactly what I'm looking for, which is like a bright pink shimmery shade, but not too bright. I don't even know if I mentioned the name of the palette. This is the Profusion Mirage palette. I know Profusion is not that expensive. Definitely recommend this palette itself. I'm taking this pink color on the Colourpop E3 brush. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to glitter, because why the fuck not? I'm gonna take the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive glue. I get this glue from Walmart. It's only like $2, I think. It's super freaking worth it, and it's super worth the drive for me to go to Walmart. Walmart is super far from me, guys. I don't have one near me. Like, how dare they not put a Walmart, and I'm at Walmart all the time. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take this lash glue and put this directly on top of that pink. We're gonna take that same E3 brush and pat the glue all over the lid so that it distributes evenly. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take the glitter. Oh my god. You guys know that I'm terrible at sticking to one palette, so I'm gonna go in with the Daisy Marquez palette, literally just for her black. You guys know, like, do not at me if you have not tried her black and her palette. It's not like a dusty, like rusty, faded out black. Like, literally with just one tap in it, I'm straight. I'm good for the whole eye. This is the Color Noir S22 brush, which is basically like a really small pencil brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and mimic a wing with this on the outer corner of my eye only. These are the Flutter in Love lashes in the style Bella, which I've never tried before. I had 2 pairs sitting in my drawer, and I was very, very intimidated by them. I literally never had or tried on long lashes. So for moisturizer, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Erno Laslo Hydrotherapy Gel Cream, which has to be my favorite moisturizer right now. Ever since I used it and tried it out in my last video. If you haven't seen that video, then I definitely recommend you go watch it. I'm in the mood for some pizza, like really bad. How are your guys' day going? Let me know in the comments down below. How do you guys feel? What are you guys gonna do for Valentine's Day? Let me know what's up. And I'm also in the mood to watch a very romantic movie. That's just how I'm feeling, but I've watched every single one on Netflix yet, so I'm just literally out of movies to watch. If you know a really good romantic movie, any movie on Netflix, then go ahead and leave a comment down below, because your girl is running out of options. So for primer, I'm going to use the Covergirl True Blend Base Business. This is the moisturizing one. I do like their mattifying one. I just like the moisturizing one a little bit more, honestly, only because out here it's winter, and when it's winter my skin literally acts like a whole different person. Like, it's just super dry, super stank. She's really irritable, so I literally need all the moisture that I can even like soak up. But for foundation, I'm gonna be using the, where is it? I just had it. I'm using this guy, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the shade 340C. I had to pour it on the back of my hand and do it this way because I had dropped the bottle so many times that the bottle don't even close anymore. You guys already know my favorite duo to highlight and contour are these two babies right here. These are the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Creamy Concealer. One is in 158W and the other one is in Light 45W. So I just put this exactly where I want to highlight. I'm seriously thinking if after this I should go get pizza. I really want some pizza, and why not? Like, you know? I actually want to put you guys on to a pizza place out here in New York City because I highly recommend it. If you are in NYC or if you live here or visiting, whatever the heck it is, please go to East Village Pizza because guys, I am willing to take the train right now, right after this, to go get some pizza because it's just so damn good. It's located near, you know, East Village, Manhattan, downtown area. It's just really worth it. Like, their pizzas are so freaking good. Like, my mouth is watering up even just thinking about it. Now that we have everything blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in 10 Fair Light. I love this shade because it's more like a banana powder for me. A lot of you guys actually asked, you know, how is it living in New York City, and I kind of want to do a video where I do like a day in the life. I definitely love it here because of the freedom that I have here. Like I just said, I can literally just get up and take the train and go get pizza. Lately it's been a love and hate relationship with being in New York City, and that's only because of like everything that's happening. I feel like there's a lot going down in New York City, a lot of bad things to say as well, so it's kind of like a just love and hate relationship. But bad things happen everywhere, but the most thing that I do love about New York City is just having that type of freedom. Trains don't stop running and the city legit never sleeps, so, and you're never alone in this big ass city. If we decide to like come together as a city, we'll be like the most littest city ever. But the city is really big. It is really hectic already. As far as like chapsticks and lip oils, you guys know that I've been loving them. I love lip oils, but I'm also really choosy. But these came in the mail this morning. This is the Buxom Powerful Lip Scrub. I'm obsessed. This is in the shade Dragon Fruit. As you can see, there's like little things in the chapstick that scrubs all the dead skin off of your lips, which is super good. I'm gonna take this contour shade in this CoverGirl FX Perfector face palette on the Luxie 660 Precision foundation brush. I definitely do not use this brush for foundation at all. Now for blush, I'm gonna go into the Colourpop X Disney Collection blush in the shade Kissing a Frog. Super cute blush. I've loved it for a while, stopped loving it, forgot about it, and now I'm back on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just swirl this, and this is a Moda blush brush, I believe. I feel like for Valentine's Day it's really cute to put on a shitload of blush. Like, why not? Pat away all the extra baking powder we have on our face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just spray my face. This is the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Mist. For highlight, I'm mixing these two shades right here. This is the oh wow. I literally felt like a workout. I had to pick up all the little pieces that fell, put them back in here. I'm gonna take the Head to Toe highlighter by Pixi. This is in the shade Wednesday. I'm gonna go ahead and just mix it in with the Colourpop Super Shock highlighter, which was the other one I was showing you guys. I already put the red on the outer corners only, and I wanted to film just what I do to the inner corners of my lash line. So I'm gonna take that pink shimmer shade that we used in the Profusion Mirage palette. I'm gonna use the Colourpop E6 angled brush and dip into those shimmer shades. I'm gonna put this directly into the inner corner, and this is gonna act like a base for the glitter that we're gonna be putting. I'm gonna apply some lash glue on top of that, taking that same glitter. Of course, to outline our babies, because we don't have any lips if we don't outline our lips, I'm gonna use the Carli Bybel Makiage lip liner in the shade Luna. Yeah. So now that that's done, we can go in with lipstick. This is the Sheree Cosmetics lipstick in Shy Girl. That reminds me of Bramsey. Who else watches Bramsey? I know everybody watches Bramsey, come on now. And then on top of that, I just went ahead and applied this Carli Bybel lipstick in Libra. I believe that this is like the most bombest nude that I've owned yet, so I definitely recommend you have this nude in your collection because it goes with literally any look. So this is the end of today's video. I'm super hungry. I'm about to log off, but before we do so, I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys what I put together for one lucky winner. I'm gonna start doing things like this where I create a bundle for you guys, and I will be doing like a giveaway maybe in every other video. So please pay attention to my video. This is today's giveaway. I do have a set of press-on nails for you guys, and I also have Flutter in Love lashes in the style Bella, which is the ones that I'm currently wearing and used today in today's video. I'm going to be giving away one of the glitters that I used in today's video in a whole different shade. There's a mini exfoliator in here, there's a choker from Forever 21 in here, there's also a lip gloss, a Buxom plumping lip gloss, and last but not least, a little mini palette from LA Colors. You have a whole bundle of just beauty stuff, so I feel like this is really cute, and just to have it packed like this, ready to go, super cute. All of the rules for this giveaway will be in the description box down below, so make sure to go ahead and check that out, and further information about when the giveaway will be over and all of that stuff will be in the description box down below, so make sure to go ahead and check that out. If you do plan on recreating this look, you guys already know what to do. Hit me up on my social medias if you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in my next one.